Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking a quick video tour of our Ford Focus. So this is our 2014 Ford Focus Zetec Estate. It's covered just over 89,000 miles from new. It's only had 2 previous owners. Whilst in our care, we've replaced the all-important cambelt water pump, given it a service, fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in okay condition for the age and mileage. A couple of marks on the bodywork as you've got to expect here and there. But it is a nice looking car. Inside, you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity with audio connectivity, ice cold air conditioning, steering wheel controls, electric windows in the front. It's all looking pretty good inside. Good bit of space in the back. Again, all in good condition. And you've also got a nice big boot to match as well. These are really nice practical motors, these. It's a 1.6 diesel, 6-speed manual. Very economical engine. And it's also only £20 a year to tax. So it keeps those running costs nice and low. Very nice motor. Very economical on fuel. Cheap annual tax. Cam belt and service all done, ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.